Welcome to the FX Options Weekly Outlook, a weekly podcast series hosted by Jason Ayres, a top instructor, trader, and founder of OptionSource.net. Join Jason as he discusses the latest trends in the Forex market with a look ahead on the US dollar versus the major currencies using the most commonly used technical indicators.
Well, hi there and welcome to the ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for January 9th, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at the weekly chart of the US dollar index. This is a great way to gain perspective as to how the US dollar has been trading against a basket of currencies. Well, the US dollar index continues to climb higher, driven by the continuing uncertainty regarding the fate of the euro. Now, the index has extended beyond the 80-81 resistance level, which opens the window for a further upside move. A break back below 80 could retest support at 79. Let's take a look at a daily snapshot. Well, with a 1.5 move higher last week, we see the index now sitting at 81. Any negative headline this week could push the dollar index into this 82 focal zone this week. Let's take a look at the CDD, the US versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the CDD has been trading within a 4-point range for the last 2 months. Having tested support at 101 last week, the CDD now appears to be heading for a test of the 103-104 focal zone. Any weakness this week is likely to be contained within this 101-102 focal zone. Let's take a look at the US dollar versus the yen as seen here in the YUK. Well, the YUK is back down testing support within the 76.5-77 focal zone. Considering last Friday's reversal candle, a subsequent break below 76.5 opens the window for further weakness. A break back above 77 is likely to yield a retest of 78. Let's take a look at the EUI, the US dollar versus the euro. Well, the EUI continues to trend strongly to the upside as the fate of the euro looks bleak. 76.77 represented a significant bigger picture resistance level, which now assumes the role of support. While we may see a pullback to test this level, we suspect the uptrend to continue with the 80-81 focal zone as the next upside target. Let's take a look at the BPX, the US dollar versus the pound. Well, the BPX continues to test resistance at the 64.5-65 level. A break below 64.5 is likely to retest support down here at 63.5. A break above 65 should signal a continuation higher with 66 as the next upside target. Next up, the AUX, the US versus the Australian dollar. Well, the AUX bounced at the 96-97 support level. A reversal and subsequent break below 96 is likely to yield a move lower. Presently, the AUX appears to be heading for a test of 99-100. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the US dollar continues to trend higher. We suspect this to continue as the fate of the euro remains uncertain. We are cautious of a pullback to test support at 80. The CDD has bounced off of the 101 support and appears to be moving towards a test of 103-104. YUK tested 76.5 for support and bounced. A reversal and subsequent break below 76.5 opens the window for a continuation lower. The EUI continues to trend strongly to the upside. We may see a pullback test support at 77. However, the path of least resistance is up. The BPX has retested the 65 resistance level for the fourth time in just over a month. A break above 65 should open the window for a tradable move higher. The AUX hit support at 96 and bounced. We are open to a test of 99-100 resistance this week. And this has been your ISE FX Options Weekly Outlook for January 9th, 2012. This is Jason Ayres of OptionSource.net reminding you to sign up for your free webinar at www.optionsource.net. Thanks for joining me here this week. We'll see you here next week.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. For trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary, visit www.fxoptions.com. Become an OptionSource.net member. Visit www.optionsource.net. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in US dollars and have a European-style exercise.